What is going on, guys? So as you can see, we're here catfishing. However, we were at Pocahontas State Park the other day, and this is what happened. Gotta climb down this. Oh. That's a good fish. No, came off. He came off. I literally just lost a fish down there on the live bait. So as you can see, the day didn't go that well. So we're back at our confident spot and the sun is starting to set down a little bit. I hope we can get on some good fish and then make a nice video for you guys. So stay tuned and enjoy. Put on this shiner.
Gotta get more rods out.
I will.
Towards the bank, yeah.
Let me just let this chill right here. What just happened?
What is?
It flew off. You know what? I'm gonna bring out the secret weapon. Guys, I have some stinky shad in here. I'm not even gonna take a whiff of that. But I'm just gonna take him, put him on the hook, and then hopefully catch something. Hey, way to be patient.
Look at it. Good line.
Yep. All right, I'll go get the big old camera. Any any rods?
No, I think we might be able to flip him. Oh, nice catch it.
Oh,
yeah.
Nice.
I think it's a channel actually. Well, I'm gonna flip it up.
All right. That's a nice sized one.
On the cut bait.
All right, that's a beautiful bullhead, man.
Yep.
All right, let him go.
3 ounce. Oh, that's that. See that? Dude, he almost hit you.
So,
dude, that dude's right there.
why is he going for you?
He flew like within 6 inches of my face.
Yeah, like what are they doing?
Nice to have some on that. See it moving a little bit?
No, it's.
I think
it was Nathan.
Like this, and Doc moves it.
Yeah.
All right, let's be still for a second. Let's see what's going on.
Fun stuff.
Oh, that's a fish. Here we go.
Let him eat.
Finally.
If you hook it.
Yes, sir. You got him?
Buddy? Yeah, he got it. Got him.
I don't think. Dude, that was weird.
Yeah. He was running towards me. Yeah.
Is that a big one?
He's okay.
Right there.
Let's see.
Get him out of the high drill. If you
Yeah.
Get him stuck.
All right, get out of here.
Oh,
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you came off.
Hey, thanks for doing it, man. Yeah.
Yellow bullhead.
Thank you.
Sweet.
Here it is. Gonna let him go. He's been out of the water for quite some time. But that's the first fish from me. All right. Fly high. Bang. All right, Ethan, I think we should equip our headlights. Ethan, that's a fish on here.
There's one here too.
Really?
Yeah.
There we go.
You got one?
In it right now.
Well, Ethan's got one. Hey, you can just let that one keep eating. Yeah. Bowfin.
I hope so, yeah.
Bowfin. All right, man. How you feeling? How's this fight going?
It's a bowfin, but it's probably more than likely just a catfish.
All right.
Oh,
Yeah.
shoot. Shoot. Catfish.
Yeah, it's a catfish. Oh.
Whoa. That's my PB cat.
Really?
That's my PB cat all the way. Oh gosh.
Look at Nate.
That's
Mr.
a huge
Spider-Man
fish.
right here.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Oh, let's go.
Woo!
Holy smokes, that is my PB, 100%. 100%.
Gosh, look at the head on that thing. Fishing just got good, didn't it?
424.
4 pounds and 42 ounces.
No, I'll do the math later.
Hold it out, long arm that thing.
Okay, but that makes it look too big.
Ha, that's the point, Ethan.
The little one.
All right, well, I missed it, but Nathan hooked up a little fish. Yeah. All right, Ethan, let that monster go, man.
Let's go this way.
Okay. Wow.
Look at the head on that thing, though.
Goodbye. This is pretty chaotic right now because we just finished with Ethan's pretty big catfish, and then now we're working with Nathan's fish. That's actually the first fish I've caught on this new catfish rod. So, well, I didn't catch it, but anyways, I don't care. We caught a fish on it, so that's good. Wow, guys, tonight was pretty cool. I mean, we're still going at it. I think we still want to catch some more. The bite just suddenly turned on. Like, how long have we been out here?
And it's about 6:37.
Yeah.
And then now it's like around 9 o'clock.
And
So
they came back to back within probably about like, I don't know, 15 minutes of each other.
right, that's crazy. We still have a bunch of shad too. So let's get some more lines out. Might have a fish on right here. Let's see. That's a fish. Here we go. Get ready. Get ready for the show. Yes, we are on. Fish on. Bowfin, bowfin. Okay. All right, well, here we go. Woo! That's how we do it. Beautiful bullhead. We're just catching bullheads today. That's crazy. All right, let's get a quick release. Thanks for biting, bud. You're awesome. There we go. That's the second fish for me and the fourth fish for all of us, right? Yeah, if my math is correct. Let's go get some more.
That's our free, right?
Yep. Get him. Got him. You got him. Nice. Well, that's another catfish. How cool is that? Tonight is the night of catfish. They're just alive today. What do you have to say about that fish, Nathan?
Thank you for giving it to me.
Yeah, no problem. Okay, whenever you're ready.
There we go.
There you go. Fish on.
Ooh.
This is like the most catfish
Just
we've...
giving good head shakes.
Okay, we got head shakes. We got head shakes.
Although this could be a catfish too, and probably is. Oh, he came off.
No. We're getting a lot of bites right now.
No. Through the hook though, that could have been a bass.
Probably.
Get another one.
We're both fans.
There we go.
I'm gonna have to come.
Oh, fish on? Oh. Yeah, it's a cat. Oh man, my camera skills are horrible. There we go. That's another one.
Ooh, that's got one. That's got one on
What is going on? Everybody's hooking up.
Let's go.
Woo! Is it good?
I don't know, but
Man, we got Nathan with the fish.
rod go off, and I thought it was just Nathan's rod, but
Oh man, this is crazy running. Oh, it's another cat.
another cat, nothing there.
All right, you can flip him on that rod. No problem. There you go. It's okay.
Ooh,
it's all
that's
good.
right on the edge, too.
We have many hooks.
Wait.
Check that out.
Doubled up.
The boys got doubled up.
All those days at the Appomattox River of Ryan catching fish, and we're finally doubling up on
There we
catfish.
go. The boys are doubling up. Let them go. Awesome. Good stuff, boys. Well, we're gonna go ahead and end our session. It's been really successful. We probably have over 6 fish.
Okay, there's not
Nate's doing the last hook sets.
You never know.
No fish.
You never know.
All right, so was it 2 fish on my new catfish rod? That's like beyond what I was expecting. It doesn't matter. It broke the rod in, so that's good. Okay, everybody, thank you so much for watching this video. It was pretty crazy. We've never had a catfish night like this. I guess, you know, catfishing is starting to get good, so we should probably head back whenever we can. To summarize what happened today, Ethan basically caught his personal best catfish out of all species he's caught. And then Nathan, I, and Ethan just caught some pretty decent sized cats. Too bad we didn't get any bass or bowfin, but it's okay. We weren't really targeting them anyways. It's getting late, so we're gonna have to have some self-control. Even though the bite is fire right now, we're just gonna go ahead and head back before it's too dark. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Please leave a like if you want to see more of this stuff. And as always, fish for the adventure.